What's up, everyone? Or should I say, what's up? I'm Jeff Teague, salesperson with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, and your complete car buying resource. Today, it's time for our edition of Pimp My Ride. Jazz it up, personalize it, accessorize it, make it your own. Insert adjective or popular phrase here. Anyway, we took a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, not this specific one, I just wanted to show you what it looks like beforehand, and we made it our own. Let's see the changes. Toyota Tacoma, the best-selling midsize truck by far in the United States. This is the TRD Sport version before accessorizing. It has 17-inch alloy rims. Check these out, and Toyo open country tires. It has the chrome badging on it. See the hood scoop. We always know we're looking at a TRD Sport because you see that hood scoop. Of course, fog lights. This particular one has the step bars on it. I'm going to show you one that's been accessorized that does not have that. Again, chrome badging. This one does not have mud guards. Uh-oh, foreshadowing. So check this out. The color keyed insert, V6 of course. And then in here comes with a bed liner already. This is the traditional 5-foot bed without a cover on it. I wonder if we'll add a cover. I don't know. Now flash forward to our feature vehicle in the showroom, and you can see this vehicle has been accessorized with lots of cool accessories here. It has window tinting, a level kit, black TRD wheels with Nitto tires, black badging. You'll see the exhaust tip in a little bit. A hard shell tri-fold cover, locking tailgate actuator, and mud guards. There is a lot to see here. First of all, Toyota's trademark black and red logo TRD alloy rims, along with 17-inch Nitto grappler tires. What do you think of these things here? Beefy. And then you can see the level kit certainly exposes the Sport Tune suspension. You can see the black lettering kit. And then we'll look down along the back here. Let's go for another angle here. This is a great place to see the mud guards that were added. Not only do they look sporty, they look great, but also they catch rocks, gravel, fresh tar on freshly paved roads so that you don't scratch up the bottom of your truck. That is sharp. Black badging. Remember how that was color keyed on the other one I showed you? Black Tacoma, black V6. And then I'll show you the black chrome exhaust tip there. Toyota. A couple things I can show you. The locking tailgate actuator. In layman's terms, traditionally with the key slot you have to put a key in to lock it, but with this one here it's electronically wired to the key fob, so whenever you hit unlock, unlock, it will unlock all the doors, but also the tailgate as well. Now with a hard shell, you can get a soft shell or a hard shell. This one here, it folds up and then folds up, and then all you do is lock it in place, clip it in place on both sides. So now you can drive it like this. Cool stuff, right? And although I'm showing you external changes, I do want to show you what it looks like inside, so that way you get to see the whole entire truck with its sport fabric seating. And then we'll look through the back too. The best-selling mid-size truck. Get yours today. And then here's what it looks like with the level kit. Do you like it at its base height or with this? Should it get running boards next? And then here's the window sticker so you can learn a little bit about the features and how a Sport is equipped. 4x4 made in Baja. This is in cement color, by the way. What do you guys think of cement? Great safety ratings. Gas mileage combined of 20. On the left, these are standard features that are on the TRD Sport. These were optional packages that were added. And normally it's $37,900. When you accessorize, here's everything that was added to it. We've got an exterior and interior protectant and sealant, window tinting, the level lift kit, the wheels and Nitto tires. We do that as a package for people to kind of save on expenses. The black badging, what do you think? Do you like that or the chrome with the black exhaust tip? Of course, the trifold cover, locking actuator, and mudguards puts it at $43,600. Fred Anderson Toyota, home of the world famous family plan, lifetime oil changes, lifetime powertrain warranty. Holla. So there you have it. Write down in the comments section which one you prefer best, a base TRD Sport Tacoma or one that's been accessorized. It's been pimped out. It's been made its own. Pimp up the truck, pimp it up a little more, get the truck going on the dance floor. Yeah, I'm out for here. Time to finish the dance. Peace out. See you next time. If you're in the North Carolina area looking for a new car, ask for me, Jeff Teagan, sales at Fred Anderson Toyota.